Hey YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a channel art for YouTube, and yeah, stay tuned for this. If you want to know how to make the stuff, stay tuned, I suggest. So example, I'm going to go for Galaxy, because I like that. So you need 2048 x1152, okay? So I'm going to go for this one because that looks amazing. Now you go to something called PixArt. If you don't know how to install that, I'll leave a link in the description. So you can download it straight away. So now you get to pick canvas. Then, I've done a lot of these in the past. No, not that. Proceed. But this is my settings, so it's different. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, so look, here, so look, as you can see, and now I'm going to type my YouTube channel in, which is actually called CTCYT, go subscribe to that if you haven't. So look, CTCYT, so look, I suggest using that. Here's normally what I do, but this is like different opinions. So, epic channel, and epic content. It's up to you what you want to do though. I just do that for the sake. Yeah, hold on a sec. So I'm trying to get out of position. Yes, a epic channel, epic content. Yeah, epic channel, epic content. So then you put subscribe. That's if you want to put that though. I'm just showing you my examples. So that happened. Sorry, subscribe. As you can see, it's looking like that now. And I'm gonna put my social medias on there, so like Twitter, Instagram, and all that. So look, Twitter. Let me put my Twitter in. If you guys are enjoying my YouTube channel, make sure to give this video a fat thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Put post notifications on, and you will never miss a video again. So as you can see, it's looking like this right now, viewers. And now my Insta is this. Go follow me on Insta as well, guys, if you haven't already. There we go. So now save. This is my completed channel art. So now go to studio.youtube.com. And now I'm going to put it for this channel. And then what you do is this. If I can find it, here. And then you go to branding. As you can see, that says look, upload. As you can see, photo library. As you can see, it's like that. Publish. If you didn't see the rest of that other stuff, sorry. But it's like it. So now, if I switch account again, sorry, I was just watching Minecraft a bit, story mode. So look, now if I go to my channels, look. It comes out as this. Boom, that's that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you very much for watching.